Do you use Google Keep? I use it lots. It helps me to manage my to-do lists and keep track of the different pieces of work that I've got going on. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do with Google Keep. First of all, I need to open up Google Keep. So in the top right, I'm going to go to the Google Apps here. And when I click onto that, I'm just going to scroll down to find Keep. So I'll click on Keep and here we go. So I don't have any notes in here currently, but I want to just show you a few of the things that you can do. So when I click into take a note, it opens it up a little bit for me. And at the top, I can add my title. And then in here, I could just type some free text if I want to, or I could add an image. But what I want to do here is to have a checklist. So I'm going to move to the More button. So I'll click onto the More button and I'm going to choose Show Tick Boxes. So I'll click on Show Tick Boxes and then I can add my first item. So I need to do the shopping. I'll press Enter to get another item. Wash the car, Enter, walk the dog. Now you can easily move the order of these items around by clicking and dragging. You can even have sub-items if you want to as well. So if I click at the end of walk the dog and press Enter for this new item, I could move over the dots on the left-hand side and just drag it in to the right. Because I use a lot of notes, I do tend to have them in different colors. So the last thing I want to show you here is the background options. So if I click onto that one, there are some, fancy background images if you want those. I'm just going to go for a simple color. So that was just a couple of ideas, but there's lots more that you can do with it. So if you think it might be useful for you, give it a go. If you've got any questions or you want some help with Google Workspace training for you or your team, please do get in touch.